ओके अब हम देखते हैं एनालॉजीज के क्वेश्चंस को. एनालॉजीज में हमें दो वर्ड्स दिए होंगे विद अ सर्टेन रिलेशन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड वन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस व्हिच हैज़ द सेम रिलेशन बिटवीन द वर्ड्स. तो अब इसकी द ओनली टिप इज़ कि यू हैव टू मेक सेंटेंसेज आउट ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव सर्जन एंड स्कैल्पल. तो इफ वी वर टू मेक लाइक अ स्मॉल सेंटेंस हमें ये होगा सर्जन यूजेज स्कैल्पल. तो सर्जन हियर इज द जॉब, स्कैल्पल हियर इज द टूल. सो एनी रिलेशन which has the same we can identify that. Musician and instrument kind of works, but instrument is very vague. Carpenter and cabinet does not work because cabinet is not tool. Sculptor and chisel works pretty well because chisel is a tool which is used for cutting, and baker and oven also works because oven is a tool. However, now if you look at the specific given set of words, scalpel is a tool for cutting and chisel is also a tool for cutting. So we're going to select option C as the correct answer. Now let's look at the other two questions. First of all, we have badminton and court. So now if we make like a small sentence out of this, we will say that he was at the badminton court. So that's a vague sentence, but it works for now. Now we have to look at all the given options and see which one works. He was not at the hockey stick. That's not a valid sentence. He was not at the cricket bat. Iski bhi sense nahi banti. Then we have he was at the skating rink. That makes sense. And lastly, he was at the football goal. That does not make sense because in this case, court is the area of the entire location and goal would not work. If it was pitch, then it would have worked. So option C is the correct answer again. Then we have teeth and chew. Okay, so we can sentence कि ये हो सकता है कि okay, we use teeth to chew food. That's a good sentence to make out of this. Now, यहाँ पे teeth is कह लो the tool and chew is the act. So we use our mind to think, that works. We use sweater for heat. No, that does not work. We use our food to taste. No, that does not work. We use our eyes to flicker. That also does not work. So the correct answer is option A. Again, you have to make small sentences and then work from there.